Hey, we're back and it's time to start our seeds, get our garden going for these early spring crops. And we're going to try seeding in eggshells this year. So let's go in the greenhouse and get that started. We've been saving our shells and we're going to plant our seeds in eggshells because from what I've heard is that the eggshells are full of calcium, which they are, right?
Right.
You want to get a good seed starting mix. I guess it has the right nutrients in it, whatever the numbers here mean, but promotes delicious vegetables. I'm just going to take... Well, this is what I read. I'm not sure. I've never done this, but I'm just going to fill this up. A little bit close to the top. Give it a light pack. I don't want to pack it down really heavy. And that one's stuck. I'm going to start off with this broccoli. I think I should do 2 seeds per hole.
One.
1?
Yeah.
Ooh. Have a lot of faith in this.
I like to live dangerous.
Alright. 1 seed. I'm a 2 seed guy. Fatty thinks 1 seed will work. So we're going to try 1 seed right there on the top. And you don't want to bury it. You just want to cover it. And she thinks that'll work. So you want to keep this moist. Maybe spritz it with a spray bottle. There's no drainage holes in the bottom of the shells, so we didn't cut any holes or anything. A lot of people rinsed their shells out because said they would stink. We didn't clean them out or anything. We actually just put the top of the shell inside there, so I don't have a sense of smell. I can't tell if it smells or not, but anyway, we'll fill all these shells up, and then we have 12 starts right there, 12 broccoli starts, and then when we bring it inside to the climate control, we'll put it in the windowsill, or we'll keep it in the dark. We'll close the top so it can germinate the seed in a couple of days, and once they start popping their heads out, and once they're sprouted, we'll open the tops, maybe tear the tops off, I don't know, see how we feel. Feel destructive. And then we'll keep them inside like that until a week or 2. I don't know. We've never did it this way before, but we'll see how big they grow, how well they grow. And then when it's time to plant, all we got to do is take this. Some people say crack it. Some people say you don't have to. I think I'm going to crack them up. Just lightly break the shell. Just crack it, not smash it. Yeah, smash it. So we'll just break that up, and then we'll be able to just drop that straight into the hole. And we won't disturb the root system, and the plant will get more nutrients out of the shell. So I'm also going to label them so I know what they are.
Hey!
Something that we've been terrible about. But I'm just going to write on here broccoli. Maybe I'll even put the date on there, huh?
Yeah.
And it's February 11th. 2/11. There we go. Alright, well, anyway, we'll bring you the results of that little experiment, and maybe it'll work, maybe it'll fail. We'll find out. Stay tuned.